that is hard to see, but I know what we have here. I am pretty sure that we got some common Eiders. So some of the biggest and heaviest of the ducks with some really nice beaks. I really hope to see them more up close someday. That is very cool. You have the males who are white, the females who are brown. They are, well, I can see them, I think, diving under the water. I saw some at the Biodome in Montreal when the males were not in their breeding plumage, but it is hot. They can dive very deep.